One I say Gaza Nation. We're ready for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah? We know see say the world boss, the sixth boss, and the law boss is a dancehall anthem them a drop Gaza Nation. It's not just a hit song, you know. Remember me I tell you that, you know. A dancehall anthem the man them a drop. You hear me I say? And from the man them preview it, I don't know if you don't see. I look one day when they're intense. Run, gone post up one freaky video with one song where them do. Where my teacher look at young people them fair deal with bass of the man go marrow business. Because I see girl in the video have girl lift up put them against the wall, lift up and have crutches in them face like a lick out business are going. You know the viral king footer hype now go allow that in a field dancehall where him love so much, you know. No wonder why you hear Chronicler say my bust up the 4-5, you know, because I don't know gimmicks thing, you know, Gaza Nation. G6 them not take this week on them load up with empty clip. We no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. Gaza man them not take this week on them load up with empty clip. We no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon them. If you see we with the Bushmaster, I'm a fly backer. For blast boy head like Messi kick soccer. You see me with the 16. Clip full up of 5.56. Them sing like X6. AK clip full of 7.62. What my boys call all them top blood a drip through. Pump rifle cartridge and all intender pebbles burn. I was a breathless like G6 them not take this week on them load up. With empty clip we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like a dragon them. Gaza man them not take this week on them load up. With empty clip we no pose up. Magazine long and bend. Rifle a spit fire like the dragon. Some boy a picture of empty gun a pose a road. Shot drive through them skull like the car them a do overroad them. Drown in a bloodshot and throw them overboard. Gun we bust 36. Bust out them inside. Me mar up like wave on the seaside. Barrel spin like fan blade. Head bust like lampshade. Lava squeeze lead from the 4-5. We no take this car we. What? At the world it's not a plan. Hey, watch what I go on. Very carefully. Hey, a franchise the chosen one. The 10-star general. You know what go already when I come for representing a full effect thing, man. Know what go when we load up, aim up, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about ya. Watch me no man. Hey, are the people's champion. Oh you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Hey, watch this. Are the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment business. Watch. So as I say, Gaza Nation, the big collaboration where the man them a drop is to put the opposition them out of their misery. This is where I deal living dancehall anthem. No gimmicks thing no in a Gaza Nation. So always you see them a go on with a big lollipop thing. Because the man them a look some I do everything to be seen. And I do everything forget the look of hype and forget people look upon them or talk about them. Them a go by it any means necessary. They show me I deal with so you can see say the look of youth really hide them. The look of youth really yeah, you can see say the look of youth really like a alkaline in identical one be like. You see what I say? Yeah, so him is nothing more than a look of fallbacker. And I know gimmicks thing, him can't set him own trend. You know what I mean? First thing him not even have an image himself. I know him can't ever find an image himself. A man image him I use. You see what I deal with? Remember, you know, first and foremost, you know, I set up Brando, you know. Brando, you know, the review king, you know. Where Brando that say, well then, a Shabba first come with a style, and the song where Brando say, Shabba do it, you know, that wasn't the first song Shabba do it, you know, Brando. The first song Shabba do it, you know, and the song where say, some man a cuss the woman and them a do it, you know. Who are you chase girl like a mama lol, you know. The man say, woman do body wash, a man a do pussy goggle. And God met the woman to take the bamboo, and him don't know how the man, but them a take bamboo too. You see me? And then him drop the next song with the same thing in it. You see what I deal with? But Cartel and Beenie Man say them not take body wash cause that a dirty habit. You see what I deal with? No, but the youth want the limelight so much and want it so bad and so greedy for it. Him have to go to that bedjars there. You see me? See him like, oh you see that look one and name Intent. Wait till you see the look of slap nasty video where the look of youth are promote. You see what I deal with? So when time man all wild out pan them and them shit there, you know. You have some look of people running and talk about, yo, you love kill young artists and where. So man must load the young artists them for destroy the young people them in the country, right? And that's what I say. So nobody not there for bring off the roots and culture no more. Eh? Remember the Almighty himself when you know, burn down Sodom and Gomorrah. And ever mankind do that, you know. You hear me I say? So more if you know so anything when you run go get yourself mixed up, you know, and not do anything for spotlight and highlight, you know. And lollipop thing, you know. You see what I deal with? Yeah. And anybody where you see run down them video there, I be a people them who sick mentally. You see me? Because them style they ain't no way a woman and a woman can have sex, my virgin. That cannot work. You see me? Because woman to woman don't born with the right mechanical tool for them have sex. A man and woman do that. Have the perfect tool with a fit for sexual business. You know what I mean? You have to have a man, a female and a male for sex business go on. I want to tell you, the animal them not showing that man down to the insect them showing that, you know. So I don't know how I go with a lollipop thing, you know. You see what I deal with?
I think you're not ready for it.
Watch. Watch. Yeah, you see what I say? No gimmicks not in a Gaza nation. You know what I mean? Two man can't do that. A living lightning. You see me? Two women worse. You see what I deal with? So we don't know what that them are promote. You know what I mean? But when you talk some local man, as we are trying to go like them want to get bright because them in the fuckery, you know what I mean? Yeah, we not support them thing they run the sound. I can't teach a young youth them that. You see what I deal with? Yeah man. So when you hear man all a band redemption song and them thing that the man them all go by any means necessary till the man them all bring some crazy thing come in a dance hall, my brother. Some thing normally you'd have to go up on some phone site to see them thing them, my brother. And no gimmicks. No gimmicks not in it. A living joke thing them I deal with. Yeah. A living gimmicks thing them I deal with. That's why I have to respect the world boss at all time. That's why I deal with. And the world boss now support them type of shit there. Where you see them boy they are going with another board. That's why I deal with and the iPod them are run down. We don't support them shit there. Gaza nation.
You don't know that?
You know that?
Where you work now?
We don't support them shit there, but let me tell you something. You see me? The biggest monster in the world of fear. You see what I deal with? And them shit there, of fear and pain. Fear and pain are the two biggest monsters in the world. But fear is a natural thing for any living person. Sometimes you don't ever see nothing and you still sense fear. It's just a look up shadow move. You see what I deal with? But them boy, they fear and afraid. Oh, them they out a road and Vybz Kartel, they in a prison, them can't get the limelight now, the highlight from the man. And thus see the big news go crack now. Say the thing that the prison council, boy, I try to do what them I do in all means necessary. It no matter what. Boy, no shame. No more. Boy, that's where him pride. And gone to the lowest level. And then I give next thing. First thing I see him friend Alkaline about to do video with man. We strip off them clothes and run up and down in and drawers alone. You see what I deal with? Now look what him a come with. Them a go by it any means necessary, Gaza Nation. I saw them a attack the thing. You know what I mean? The music can't speak for itself. And on a lollipop thing. Come let me tell you something, whether you want to believe it or not, or some 3D music them do. We don't lie about it. The material evidence not there for show you guys a nation. And I don't form a gimmicks thing. You know a real thing we deal with. You know the general 10-star one, you know. You don't have, alright, good. You don't have to ask, you know, if needs a man will reach work base, you know. So you know, you know. My camera go turn off, you know. But you know when I say, you know, I know lollipop thing, you know. You just go and look out, you know, for the big preview, you know. You see what I say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got G6 lock the place. For the general, the 10-star one.
Oh man,
I
God,
represent.
Yo, free Vybz Kartel. Get that man out of jail.
What?
King of Dancehall. Watch.
What? My sister on the line, me I tell. The boss thing well established. The man don't know nothing about Jamaica, you know. Vybz Kartel make the man even speak like that, you know. You hear me I say Gaza Nation? Or the general, the 10-star one I represent my full effect. What? Hey, man. Hey, a Gaza way, you know. There ain't no other way. Hear me? A 10-star, the general.